In this video, I want to show you how you can change your Spectranet Mifi, the password, to this and the username. So this is going to work across all of the Spectranet gadgets like the routers and the numerous devices or gadgets that they have. So if you want to change your password, let's say people have been connecting to your Wi-Fi or your Mifi and you want to change the password, or you just want to change the name, this video is going to help you. Also, this is going to work across other networks like MTN, Airtel, and all of these data providers or service providers. As long as they offer you Mifis or Wi-Fis, this video is going to be really helpful to you. So if this is the kind of video you want to see, then please like the video. If you have questions, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is Goodnoel, and let's begin. So we already talked about the reason why you would need to change your password, so let's not waste too much time here. So to change your password is very simple, but these routers or these Mifis, they have two passwords. So for Spectranet, you have what we call the Spectranet self-care portal, which is where you go to recharge and see your data usage. But you cannot change the password to this Mifi from there. So you need to log into the admin portal. And this is how you find it. So I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. So this is basically the link here. I'm going to put it. You can copy it, or you can just go to Google and search for Spectranet admin or password change. You are going to see this link. But to make it easy for you, I'll put it on the screen and I'll put it in the description of this video. So once you click on it, you are going to see this. All right, so you need to go into the web interface. I don't know if this works on mobile phone because I've never tried that, but I think the best approach is from this place. All right, desktop or computer view. So you have two options that you can use to log in. This is 1 or 2. But if you want to log in, this is one thing you need to note. So if you open the cover of this Mifi, you are going to see something here called the web username and the web password. So this is what you need to use and log in. But there's another important thing for you to note. You must connect to this. All right, the internet you are using to do this must be connected to this very network. So for instance, I'm connected to this Spectranet that I'm using now. So you cannot be on MTN and do this. So it has to be on the same network. So you have to pay attention to that. All right. So once you come here, these are the different models that they have. They have Hawaii, blah, blah, blah. But you can see they have very generic usernames and password. Most times the usernames are the same. But if you come here, you see it says log into the router settings, select the Wi-Fi, enter the Wi-Fi network, SID, blah, 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 and then click on apply. All right. So my own is going to be called, this is going to be my username and password. So you can basically try them. Again, they are on the device itself. But if you don't want to open the device, you can try any of them here. So this is how you find it. Now, once you've collected that, you want to select any of this link and use. So I use this one, but you can select this other one too. So the last time I used that one, it did not work. So that's why I went to the second one directly. But let's give it some time to come up. So as you can see, the first one has loaded already, but the second one has not loaded. So this is the page you come to, and this is where you put that password. All right, the web password and the web username. So in my case, it's going to be admin. So remember, you must make sure that you are browsing with, you are connected to the same network, the same Mifi you want to change. So as you can see, I've logged into this one. This is the backend, and it's different from the other interface, which is the self-care. All right. So here you can see all different kind of information. You can see the network here. This is my Wi-Fi name. This is the devices that are connected. So you can see all the devices that are connected. And from here, you can do a whole lot of things. You can do tweaking. You can do any kind of settings that you want from here. You can even turn off the device from here. So as you can see, I can click on disabled and the device is just going to be disabled. but the most important thing for you is how to change the password. So what you want to do is you want to come here to wireless, and then you want to come to wireless security. But you can see all the options that you have. You have a lot of things that you can do here. So you come to wireless security. This is where you change the name. The network name is simply the name, like the Wi-Fi or the router name. So this is my own name here. You can change it to whatever you want. And this is where you change the password. All right, you just come here, write the password that you want to use, and then you click on save, and it's going to be saved. So I want to change my own password, so I'm just going to put the password here. So now I've selected the password. All I have to do is come here, click on save, and now I've changed my password. So this is basically how you can change the password so that outsiders cannot use it, or if you just feel like changing it again, you can change the name, you can change the network visibility, basically anything you want to do. You can block people, you can block IP addresses and all of that. So this is how to change your password. Again, this is the website that you need to go to here. I'll put it in the description of this video, and I hope that this video has been helpful. If yes, please like the video. If you have questions, you ask me in the comment section. And my name is Good Noel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.